In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add a video on, use this little icon of a photo at the bottom left corner. Select your video over here. And then click on Send Link or Resize. By tapping on Resize, you can always wait a bit. And send your video a little shorter. If you want to, you can also send an audio file by clicking on this plus next to the camera icon, clicking on audio, and selecting any audio from your device by clicking on it. Then hit done to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!